Welcome to Alika Training. Today we are at the workshop and we have Ulindokuhle. Hello Ulindokuhle. Elusitshela ukuthi wenza yiphi course? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Would you recommend Alika Training to a friend or family member? Oh, okay. Please show us what you do exactly. There you have it, community. For more information, please call us at 081-474-2077. Thank you. Hello, Tabo. Good, thanks. How are you? When's I pick us la?
Okay, my name is Tabo.
Yeah.
I'm here on Alika Training.
Yeah. Okay. How's the experience so far?
Experience so far, let me say, I come here knowing nothing, but now I can see the direction of what I do.
Oh, okay, that's good.
The structures that I'm learning to do, I can do it very properly.
Okay. Would you recommend Alika Training to a friend or a family member?
Anyone that is listening right now, I want to tell you something. If you want to build your future, trust Alika. Alika is the one of the best academy that I've ever met.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Tabo.